Things keep getting worse and worse for Young Thug. Young Thug is actually going broke. He has to put his BUCKHEAD mansion up for sale. A beautiful home. We know he's been going through these legal battles, and I guess he needs all the money that he has to fight this up-and-coming Rico case. So he's got his BUCKHEAD mansion on the market. The mansion is 9 bedrooms, 7.5 baths, has a movie theater in it, and also an indoor swimming pool and a jacuzzi. It's sad that Young Thug has to sell his mansion. He's listed it for $3 million. Well, I know that Young Thug is the sole provider of his family. And also, hey, I guess if you're locked up and you're facing 25 to life, what's the use of having this beautiful mansion in the upscale neighborhood of Buckhead, Atlanta? It's just real sad that Young Thug worked hard for all these possessions, his cars, jewelry, houses, all to squander it away within a 7-month span. This is a beautiful house. I mean, good gracious. A beautiful house in an upscale area in downtown Atlanta. I wish Young Thug the best. But when you start having to sell off your belongings to keep money coming in, or I guess to pay for your legal fees, it's nowhere to go but down from there. Because when you eventually get back out on the streets, if God willing, and he sees fit for you to get back on the streets, you'll be starting back from ground zero. And yes, Young Thug has made a lot of music in his days, signed a lot of artists, but all that money is being eaten up. I can only imagine how much his lawyer fees, court fees, and family bills are right now piling up while he's sitting behind bars waiting for this YSL trial to begin. I guess it goes to show you that no man is above the law. And the WAC 100, he said this months ago. He said the government is going to take all Young Thug money, his assets away from him, and he's going to be fighting this case without any legal representation. He's going to exhaust all his money. He's going to exhaust all his options. And I feel sorry for Young Thug, and I also feel sorry for the families that been through this whole shebang and scandal with Young Thug. The victim's family, also Young Thug's family. Young Thug's sister, she did a live a couple months ago saying she don't have any money left and that nobody was sending her money, and she was basically crying out for help, saying that somebody needs to send her some money. So we're going to see how this thing plays out in the court of law. I know jury selection begins on January the 4th, and we'll see how it plays out. But Young Thug has put his BUCKHEAD mansion on the auction block for $3 million. Chucking and Jiving TV, and y'all know the rest. Comment and like.